about reverse camel. Before we dive in, let's warm up because we are going to work on our pelvis and our abs and our chest. So start with hip circles, full circles to the left and then to the right. Few more. 3, 2, 1, and let's going to do forward and back of ticks and tucks with the pelvis. Ticks and tucks, so we can release our lower back. At the same time, we are doing a kind of abs. It's a good exercise though. Alrighty. Full circles, open your legs, and full circles, and then to the other side. Start with our pelvis, right? So reverse camel start with our pelvis. So we are going to do this kind of warm-up or exercise. Ticks and tucks, or contraction and expansion, and engage all your core. When we have this in mind, we are going to do the next segment. The next segment is our ab. So when I do my contraction, I'm going to leave the next movement to my ab, and then going to finish with my chest. So slow down, let's do it again. Contraction, or your pelvis is forward and then your ab is engaged, right? And you're going to push up the rest of your ab. So when you push up, at the next part is up is your chest. But don't finish with your chin. No, it's your chin. Just finish on your chest. I hope you are enjoying this video, and if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Give your thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what you think. What else do you want me to do for the next videos? And also, if you're not watched the camel undulation, I highly recommend it that you go and watch right now so you can see the difference between camel undulation and reverse undulation. Let's going to do it to this side. Slow down. Pelvic contraction, and then lead the move to your ab, and finish with your chest. Let's do it again. Do it with me. Let's practice with me. Pelvic contraction, get engaged all this area, and then lead the move to your ab and up, going up. Pelvis, up and chest. Pelvic, up and chest. Pelvic, up and chest. It's like when you're doing your pelvis contraction, immediately they'll push up the rest of the ab and the chest. So this is why you see like kind of continue movement, never stop. So I can do this. You see, start with my pelvis, ab and chest, pelvic, ab and chest, pelvic, ab and chest. And with more flow, you see this kind of move. Let's do it to the other side. Pelvic, ab and chest, pelvic, ab and chest, pelvic, ab and chest, pelvic, ab and chest. All right. Do you like this video? Do you like this tutorial about reverse camel? Let me know on the comments below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for joining me today.
يا قلبي فوق ما تطير، شال الهموم وما يفيق، بين الشتاء والحريق، ضاع الطريق، ضاع الطريق، كانت عيون ميت روي عطشان، ضحكتها تطفي الأحزان، ولما مشت سكت الكلام، اسمها سر الفنجان مرسوم عوش المنام.